Greetings everyone. Today I am here to explain you about my project. I have developed a project which is based on a smart sensors and some IoT. Okay, this gadget, this particular sensor, or we can say this particular device will make your car a smart vehicle and will let the driver know about the judgment. Okay, so basically friends, we are seeing that nowadays the accidents are occurring, means the frequency of accidents are growing day by day. So main reason behind that accidents are the poor judgment of the driver. So this device will let the driver give the best judgment, and this will help the driver to drive safely and they can complete their journey happily. So in this device, my device will tell that particular driver that whether it is safe to overtake that particular vehicle which is proceeding ahead or not, or whether you are driving on the safe side, or we can say from the safe distance of the from the vehicle which is moving ahead of you. So here I have used Arduino Uno, accelerometer, laser sensor, motor controller and motor 775 DC and some gears. Okay, so let's start. Here Arduino sensor, this is VCC 5 volt pin and this is ground pin, and here are the digital pins. So this is accelerometer. The 5 volt pin and the ground pin is connected to this accelerometer, and the digital input pin 2 number and 3 number is set to the accelerometer. Then this accelerometer will get the acceleration of your car and will send the data to this particular formula. Okay friends, this is a basic 11th formula I have used inside this gadget. It will tell you the time, or it will tell the driver that what time the driver will need to cut the side of that vehicle which is proceeding ahead or to overtake that particular vehicle. So this accelerometer will get the acceleration from your car and will send this data to this A, which is acceleration. Okay friends, and now this is second laser sensor. Again this VCC 5 volt and ground will come to this laser sensor, and pin number 4 and 5 is connected to the laser sensor. This laser sensor will find the distance of your cars from the car which is coming from the front. Okay friends, so this laser sensor will be fixed on the bonnet of your car and will get the distance, that how much you are far from the other car, and this will send this data to this S and distance, and then this formula will run. S is equal to half AT square. Okay friends, we are taking initial velocity 0 here, so we have taken, because we have to find time from that particular instant. Okay friends, so S is equal to half AT square, and after telling, after we want time, so we are having S and A. So 2S by A is equal to T square, and under root 2S by A is equal to T. Okay friends, this will tell you the time and will tell the driver that how much time the driver will need to, how much time is there with the driver to cut or to overtake that particular vehicle. Okay friends, and this will improve the judgment of the driver. Okay, and again this device will also protect the driver from the dizziness or the sleepiness. Okay, suppose friend, if the truck driver is drunken and he is driving his truck, but okay friends, then he will drive the truck in dizziness, or we can say sleepiness. Generally accidents occurs at the night because of that drunkenness, or we can say dizziness of the drivers. Okay, so if any truck or any vehicle is moving ahead of you and we are on the back side of that particular vehicle, and if we cross the safe limit, we can say that the safe limit will be 2 feet of that particular vehicle which is moving ahead of you. Then this laser sensor will automatically send this information to the Arduino Uno, and from the pin number 4 and 6, the motor controller will get the command that okay, the car is not moving in this from the safe distance. So it will lock the motor. It will start. It will pass on the signal to this motor, DC motor 775. It will rotate that gear, and this gear stick will be pushed forward. And friends, this is the acceleration pedal of the car which is there inside the bonnet. Okay, if this pedal is stretched behind, then it is accelerated, and if this is stretched forward, then it is retarded. Okay, so during acceleration this pedal moves this side, and again, and whenever the car is not moving, means car is not moving in the safe distance, then this motor will push this stick in this front side and it will stop this acceleration pedal. So friends, this is the automated system. In this, the car will only tell the driver that okay, this is not a safe distance, you can't accelerate anymore, and this can save many lives. Okay friends, generally during the accidents, or generally during this accident situation, the driver generally gets frightened, and he, in fact, in the place of brakes, he applies the acceleration. This makes the accident more injurious and more dangerous. Okay friend, so this car stick will move ahead and push this acceleration pedal in the front side, which will retard the car speed, and this will make the acceleration pedal lock at that particular instant, so that the driver will not be able to get more accelerated, and this will save the lives of the people. And after, whenever the car is from the safe distance from the vehicle moving ahead, we can say if the car has entered 2-meter distance and again it came to the 5-meter distance, this stick will be pushed backside, and again your acceleration pedal will be moving. This motor can rotate in both direction, and this way we have created an automated system which also saves the life during the acceleration and which gives the proper judgment to the driver. So friends, this was my model, and from this model I want to save many lives of the people and make many journeys to end wonderful and peaceful. Thank you friends. Thank you all.